This is the annex that I've come to. Absolutely beautiful. We're into the sitting lounge area. Nice big television. It's got a few Christmas decorations. Like a twin room down here on the ground floor. And look at that view outside. Absolutely stunning. Up until the hills up there. If we come back through the kitchen area, very modern, with an island, massive drawers. Look at these, all crockery and everything inside. That's really smart, that, isn't it? Ovens built in. Christmas decoration out. Rudolph. Lighting's very nice and modern. Coming across here on this side, we've got the toaster, kettle, knife holder, sink, drainer, like granite tops as well, and then we've got a nice picture on the wall and some shelving. In the kitchen there's a utility room. Looks like there's another fridge, freezer, dryer, washer, and a downstairs toilet down here in this corner with a little wash basin. Yeah, looks really nice. Well, some little windows looking outside. That's where the hot tub is. We'll be going in there in a bit. If we come up here, this is the...
Did you bring the wine in?
I didn't actually, love, no. And this is like a mezzanine floor where the beds, double bed, wardrobes. It is absolutely fantastic, this place. And then you've got the sliding up. They've got a sliding door with the same track on that I put up at Beth and Joel's the other day. And then look at the size of that shower. Very modern. It's quite simple, it's stunning is this place. And what a lovely place to stay. Absolutely. Look at the size of the shower. It's massive.
their first frosty morning.
Yeah.
So they're probably a bit like, ooh.
Yeah, what's this?
Yeah, they normally walk down and then you can tell which two the boys are, can't you?
Messing about.
Hi. Hello. Ah. Whoa, thank you. Hello. Hi. You being good? You want carrot? Don't bite your sister. Come in. No, I'm just going to run up and down here for a minute now. No, they're like, oh, alright then. What are you doing now?
What are you doing with that camera in your hand? You taking my picture?
Two of them will stay black and one of them's going to be bay.
Yeah.
No more at the minute though, is the move. Won't get no more animals for a bit now.
No.
That's that one, this one's over. You saying hi, Bubs? Say hi. Say hi. He's dead friendly. Stay near me because you know he'll nick your thing. That one's Jenny. And that one's Forrest. Are you running to your brother now? Yeah, I am. Yeah. You want one? You had me click that carrot then. Come in. What's this? Come on then. Oh, I love carrot now. Carrot. Come on, carrot. Hello, babies. Does Jenny want carrot? Yeah. Give Jenny carrot. Jen? No, Forrest just shout at me. She says, no point. You looking for your mum? Not out. Can't see you.
Look at that. Look at that.
Hello. Hello.
It's obviously got lost.
Oh, they go where? They want the kids to love it.
Yeah.
Hiya. Hello. Well, Albie'd love these.
Oh, he
wouldn't
would. He'd absolutely love it.
I've done some giveaways for people who need it over like the next few months.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he goes in.
he goes in.
Yeah, when I'm cleaning, he comes round with me. Oh yeah. What?
Yeah, they're like pets.
Dried fruit. Yeah, they are. Fruit's the favourite. No, I know.
Are they indoors?
Good. No, they live out, but so just a few animals.
Just a few.
The pigs are ace. With two of the pigs are going to obviously they'll stay. They're just next. So where Lower is, they're literally just on the field there.
What are you doing? Who said you could come in? Eh?
Are you going to have lunch in Pooley Bridge?
Yeah, I think
Yeah,
so. Yeah.
it is nice.
Yeah, we're gonna have lunch.
Yeah, I'm not. Well, we didn't bring out for breakfast because I'm still
Did
full
you
of.
not?
I'm still stuffed
No.
from my tea.
Did you want anything?
No.
No.